Hello guys, welcome. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen on your OBS. Now, usually you can actually take this browser URL right here, and then you put it on your OBS and you start streaming this particular browser URL. Let's say you are a news content creator and you want to give a news about this particular website or whatever actually happened right here. So you can actually take this and then you'll be reading the news from this area and it's going to work like that. But then there is actually an issue. So when I tried to paste this URL on my OBS, it did not display, it was showing black screen. So like this is my browser URL. Totally everything is showing black screen. That is because I've actually added the same thing repeated in the screen. Let me go ahead and delete it. So you get, today we're going to talk about one of the best options to apply directly to a US residency. Agree? Okay, I actually thought I deleted the right one, but I was actually deleting the wrong one. Now let's say you added a browser source. This is actually your browser because you can actually record a particular browser. So let me paste this right and this right there. You can delete this. This is actually not the course. Click OK. Now you notice it's showing black screen. This is supposed to be our browser right here, but then it's showing black screen. So to fix the black screen issue, just come over to the settings area. Click on that, wait for it to load up. And then once it loads up, just come to the advanced area and then try to locate where it says, it should be browser. So you notice where it says source, enable browser source hardware acceleration, right? Go ahead and disable that and then apply and click on OK. And he's going to ask you to restart OBS. Yes, go ahead and restart OBS. So once OBS restarts, this issue should be fixed. I have this issue this morning when I wanted to show you guys how to make how to live stream your browser, because live streaming your browser is actually very interesting and it's supposed to be much fun to live stream your browser apart from just doing it on your PC. So this is my browser right there. Hold on. This is the browser right here. And it's loading advert and everything. I think it's because the screen, it's overlaid, so I cannot see properly. Hold on. So this is our browser displaying right now. And if I try to add another source, I can still do that by clicking on this area and adding browser source and clicking on OK. Then I want to go ahead and add the browser source from my channel. And actually, the reason why we make use of the browser source is that you could actually make use of browser source and also add your, and you can also make use of browser source and add your, okay, it's asking me to log in. That's not an issue. You can make use of browser source and then add your, this thing, the video playing live. You can just have a video playing live on YouTube. Just make it, maximize it, and then have it only display. So you can add that, and let's say you want it to display full, just have it to stretch it all the way. And also, you notice I cannot actually tab or to enable this on the screen, right? So to use that, you actually need to make it interactive. This is the interactive option. If you do not see that, right click, you should see interactive somewhere around here. Yes, this is interactive. And if you also did not see that right there, make sure you have it selected and you go to the settings area. This is the settings, click on settings and you will notice interactive. Okay, it's no longer displaying here. It should be displaying interactive, but it's not displaying right there. But that's not an issue. If you make this interactive, now you can interact with the web browser by adding your email or stuff, but I actually do not want to add that. So you know what? Let me change that browser URL and then let me go ahead and open any particular video from my channel. Open it on YouTube. It's going to load up on YouTube and also it's going to load up right here. Paste it, click OK. then it's going to start displaying. It's actually loading right now. So let me pause this so that it will start playing the video. So you notice it's also loading right there and the advertisement is playing. And guys, this is actually how to enable and to like stream on your browser. So if you're having any blast screen, this is actually how to fix it. Make your hand best it can be. I hope this video is helpful, guys. If it is, don't forget to smash like, fire, and subscribe.
We offer a platform for you to build and grow apps and game users with tools for browser app and business security. Make your app the best it can be with Fire.
Alright guys, see you on my next video. Peace.